Hello children, this is our second comprehension paragraph. This is given on page number 7 of chapter 1. So let's again start reading the lines. The wren looked at Woody and smiled. "Oh, thank you, Woody," she said joyfully. "That would be perfect." So the wren family came to live with Woody. Woody loved to listen to the wren singing in the morning. The chicks chittered all day, and there was never a dull moment with them. Every day Woody would tell his stories to them. Woody had friends again, friends who loved him with his chipped paint, cracking wheels, and Woody never felt lonely again. So let us try to understand these lines now. The wren looked at Woody and smiled. Wren. Children, what is this wren? It is a bird, kind of sparrow, who came in the garden to live with Woody. So the wren looked at Woody and smiled. Now this bird, a sort of sparrow, चिड़िया तरह से, Woody looked at Woody and it gave smile. "Oh, thank you, Woody," she said joyfully, and happily she said to Woody, "Thank you, Woody," because Woody is giving them place to live with him in the garden. That's why the wren said, "Thank you, Woody, it is a perfect place." So the wren family came to live with Woody. So it is a whole family of that bird. That bird had small chicks, छोटे छोटे उसके बच्चे थे. The chicks also came with wren to live in the garden with Woody. And Woody loved to listen to the wren singing in the morning. जब wren morning में singing करती थी तो Woody used to love to listen that song. And the chicks chittered all day, and there was never a dull moment with them. और chicks, जो स्पैरो के छोटे चिक्स थे, वो सारा दिन चिक 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 आवाज़ करते थे. उससे कभी भी वुडी को ये नहीं लगता था दैट आई एम alone in the garden. He never felt lonely, a dull moment after that. And every day Woody would tell his stories to them. And Woody got somebody with whom he could converse, he could talk. And that's why he was telling his stories. He's telling his stories to that wren and its children. Woody had friends again. Woody who loved him with his chipped paint. And Woody again got some friends. The friends who loved Woody in spite of his chipped paint. उसका पेंट कहीं कहीं से ख़राब हुआ पड़ा था, चिप्ड था, कहीं कहीं से निकला हुआ था. बट उसके न्यू फ्रेंड्स दे स्टिल लव्ड वुडी. एंड द क्रैकिंग व्हील्स, जो उसके व्हील्स साउंड करते थे, his new friends loved even those kind of sound also. That's why Woody never felt lonely again in the garden. So because of the new friends, that was wren and its children, Woody was not lonely in the garden now, and he loved to spend his time. He loved to telling them stories of the time when he was a new wagon. So the questions which I have framed for you from this paragraph are: Who came to live with Woody? First question, Woody के साथ कौन रहने आया? Who came to live with Woody? Second, what did Woody used to love? Woody को क्या चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगती थी? कौन सी चीज़ को Woody love करता था? Next question, why there was never a dull moment in Woody's life? See children, all these questions have been discussed. Their answers have been discussed in the paragraph which I just read for you. It is not tough to find out the answers. Next question, why did Woody never feel lonely again? And last is, write antonym of love. I hope you can easily find out the answers for these questions. Best of luck and thank you.